Do your teachers talk so fast that you miss half of what they say? Or maybe your notes are so messy you can't even read them later? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can listen, summarize, and organize your study materials automatically, saving you hours every week. Welcome back to Next Gen Future Tools. On this channel, we explore the smartest and latest AI tools that make studying and working 10x easier. So if you want to get better grades while studying less, make sure to hit that subscribe button. First up, Otter AI. This is one of the best AI-powered transcription tools. Just record your lecture using your phone or laptop, and Otter will turn every word into clean, readable text. The best part, it automatically highlights key points, so you never lose the important stuff again. Next, Notion AI. Imagine your messy notes turning into perfectly organized summaries. You can paste any text or lecture notes into Notion, and its AI summarizes everything into short, clear points. It even helps you create study guides for exams, all within seconds. Third, Word2 Read. This tool is a hidden gem. If you have long articles, PDFs, or research papers, it reads them and instantly gives you short summaries with key insights. Great for assignments or essay writing when you don't have time to read 20 pages. Fourth, Perplexity AI. It's like Chat, but smarter for research. You can ask it to summarize any topic or document, and it gives verified, source-linked answers, perfect when you're writing a research report or need reliable study content. And finally, Notebookly by Google. This new AI tool lets you upload your notes, and it automatically builds summaries, highlights key ideas, and even explains difficult topics. It's like having a private study assistant right inside your laptop. These tools are not just smart, they're the future of learning. Every successful student in 2025 will be using AI tools to save time, stay organized, and study efficiently. So don't get left behind. Try one of these tools today and watch your study routine transform. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Next Gen Future Tools, and share it with a friend who struggles to keep up with notes, because the future of learning starts now.